Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Google Photos and selecting the picture you want. Pick one with a clear subject because the algorithm works best on contrast. Once selected, tap Edit, then look for Remove Background under Tools or Suggestions. Some builds put it inside Magic Eraser. Apply the automatic removal to generate a foreground mask. While it runs, the app analyzes edges and color contrast. This first pass gives you a fast, isolated subject to refine in the next step. Once the automatic mask is visible, zoom in and scan edges so you can see missed pixels, especially hair and transparent objects. Use the erase and restore brushes to remove leftover background or to bring back lost details. Change brush size for precision and toggle undo if you overdo it. Make small, targeted strokes and pan often to keep perspective. After cleanup, adjust the crop and background brightness or blur to make the subject appear naturally separated from what remains. When you're satisfied, save a copy so your original stays untouched. Choose Export if you need a PNG with transparency or JPEG for a flattened composite. Make sure to check the final image at full size before sharing. If the removal looks rough, soft edges, transparency holes, try a different photo with clearer contrast, rerun removal, or refine manually with the brush. As a key tip, if automatic tools fail repeatedly, open the image in a dedicated editor for layer-based masking and finer control.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.